Annyeong! This is your Korean study buddy Sunny. Today we will talk about two Korean letters, the consonant tae-guk and the vowel e, and then three essential words containing the syllable block tae, consisting of these two letters, will follow. Let's start with the letters. Today's consonant tae-guk is derived from another consonant tae-guk, which sounds like the English letter D. This is because your tongue is in the same position when saying these two consonants. The only difference is that there is one additional line in tae-guk to symbolize a strong sound. So, tae-guk is pronounced T. There are two ways to write it. The first way is to draw a short horizontal line above tae-guk, and the other way is to draw a short line inside tae-guk. Next, the vowel e makes the sound e. When writing it, you first draw a long line from top to bottom and then make a short horizontal line, and again one more vertical line. By putting these two Korean letters together, we can make the syllable block tae. It is time to break down three words starting with tae. The first word is tae-myeong, literally meaning fetus name. In Korea, parents generally give tae-myeong to their unborn baby. Tae-myeong can be anything, such as joy, autumn, green, rabbit, and even butter. This last name, butter, is used by Jin from BTS to refer to his future nephew. This nickname is only used until they get an official name after they are born. Our second word is Tae-guk, which means Thailand. In this word, guk has a Chinese character meaning nation. So some countries' names end with the suffix guk. For example, China is Junguk and South Korea is Tae-guk. Our final word is Tae-geuk-kki. This is the national Korean flag. In this word, Tae-guk refers to the red and blue pattern at its center, symbolizing yin and yang, and ki means flag. If you put guk from Tae-guk together with ki from Tae-geuk-kki, guk-kki means the national flag. So the American flag is 미국-국기 and the UK flag is 영국-국기. If your country's flag has its own special name like Tae-geuk-kki, please let me know. As always, I love to learn from you. And so this marks the end of today's video. Thanks for watching. 안녕. In my next video, I will come back with your new word and story. Leave suggestion in the comments. See you in the next video.